Imagine a food so ordinary, yet so powerful, that it's helping seniors like you feel stronger and more capable without stepping foot in a gym or changing your entire lifestyle. That food is black beans. Yes, those small, dark, unassuming legumes you might find tucked away on a supermarket shelf. They're affordable, easy to find, and so simple you might wonder how they could make such a big difference. But all over the world, seniors aged 60 and above are adding just a half cup of black beans to their morning routine, and the results are nothing short of remarkable. Within just a few days, many report climbing stairs with less effort, walking longer distances without feeling winded, and standing up from chairs with newfound confidence. No intense exercise, no prescription medications, no complicated meal overhauls, just a warm, comforting food that your body welcomes. Science is now backing up what these seniors are experiencing, revealing that black beans could change the way we think about aging. They're tackling a condition called sarcopenia, which might sound complex, but is simply the gradual muscle loss that comes with getting older. This loss starts as early as your 50s, and by your 60s or 70s, you might notice it in weaker arms, shakier legs, or feeling tired after simple tasks. The National Institutes of Health warns that sarcopenia doesn't just shrink your muscles, it makes everyday activities like carrying groceries, walking up steps, or keeping your balance more challenging. But black beans, with their unique nutrients, are stepping in to help seniors fight back, offering a gentle, natural way to rebuild strength and vitality. So, what makes black beans such a quiet powerhouse for aging bodies? It all comes down to what's packed inside those tiny legumes. Black beans are rich in leucine, a special amino acid that acts like a spark plug for your muscles. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein to repair and build muscle. But leucine is like a key that unlocks this process, signaling your muscles to wake up and rebuild, even without heavy exercise. A recent study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that seniors who added just a small portion of black beans to their breakfast saw noticeable improvements in walking speed and muscle strength in as little as 2 weeks. But the benefits don't stop there. Black beans are incredibly gentle on your digestive system, making them ideal for older adults who might struggle with heavier foods like protein shakes or dense meats. They also keep your blood sugar steady, avoiding the energy crashes that come with sugary breakfasts like pastries or cereals. Plus, they're kind to your kidneys, which is crucial for seniors managing health conditions. Packed with fiber and antioxidants, black beans help reduce inflammation that causes joint soreness and slows healing. They also improve how your body uses insulin, ensuring nutrients reach your tired muscles exactly when they're needed most. The magic happens when you eat them first thing in the morning, within an hour of waking. After a night of fasting, your muscles are primed to absorb nutrients, and a warm scoop of black beans at breakfast kickstarts repair, recovery, and energy, setting you up for a stronger, more vibrant day. Now, you might be thinking, how do I fit black beans into my morning routine? The good news is, it's so much easier than you might expect, and you don't need to be a master chef or own fancy kitchen gadgets. Start with a half cup of black beans. Canned ones are perfectly fine if you rinse them thoroughly to remove excess salt and preservatives. Warm them up gently in a small pot or microwave, and you've got a versatile base for a delicious breakfast. Spread them over a slice of hearty whole grain toast for a satisfying crunch, or mash them with a pinch of garlic, a drizzle of olive oil, and a sprinkle of herbs for a savory spread that feels like a treat. You can also pair them with a soft boiled egg for an extra protein boost, creating a balanced meal that's gentle on your stomach and powerful for your muscles. To make them even more effective, add anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric or cumin, which not only enhance the flavor, but also support joint health and smoother digestion. If you're worried about gas or bloating, which is a common concern with beans, try starting with dried black beans. Soak them overnight in water with a splash of lemon juice or a tiny pinch of baking soda to break down compounds that can upset your stomach. Then simmer them for about 45 minutes until soft and tender. If time is tight, canned beans work just as well. Just be sure to rinse them well. The key is to eat this meal within 30 to 60 minutes of waking, when your body's insulin sensitivity is at its peak, shuttling nutrients straight to your muscles. Avoid pairing your beans with sugary foods like jam, pastries, or processed cereals, which can spike your blood sugar and leave you sluggish. Instead, build a plate with nutrient-rich choices like avocado, cooked spinach, roasted sweet potatoes, or sprouted grain bread to fuel your body with magnesium, potassium, and vitamins that support your heart, bones, and overall energy. To take your morning meal to the next level, pair your black beans with 1 or 2 eggs poached, soft-boiled, or lightly scrambled with a touch of olive oil. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse that perfectly complements black beans, filling in gaps that legumes alone can't cover. Each egg delivers about 6 grams of complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and grow muscle, a process that becomes less efficient as we age. Eggs also provide methionine and cysteine, 2 amino acids that help detox your body, produce collagen for healthy joints, and calm inflammation that can cause soreness. Don't skip the yolk. It's packed with selenium to protect muscle tissue, vitamin D for strong bones, and choline to improve how your muscles and nerves communicate, which is crucial for balance and coordination. A 2020 study in nutrition reviews found that seniors who ate eggs at least 4 times a week had stronger grip strength, more lean muscle, and better walking ability, especially when paired with legumes like black beans. The fiber in beans slows digestion, creating a steady release of nutrients, while the healthy fats in eggs help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K from the yolk. Together, they form a dream team for aging bodies, delivering a balanced, nutrient-rich breakfast that's easy to digest and tailored to your needs. Picture this: a warm plate with a half cup of black beans, 1 or 2 soft eggs, a pinch of sea salt, a sprinkle of turmeric or pepper, and a drizzle of high-quality olive oil, all enjoyed within an hour of waking. It's a simple, satisfying meal that feels like a warm hug for your body, helping you feel grounded and ready to take on the day. But here's the secret to making this breakfast truly transformative. Follow it with just 10 minutes of gentle movement. Eating black beans and eggs gives your muscles the fuel they need, but movement sends the signal to use that fuel effectively. You don't need a gym membership, fancy equipment, or a strenuous workout. Just a few simple motions you can do right in your kitchen or living room. Try this easy routine. March in place for 1 minute, gently raising your knees and swinging your arms to get your blood flowing and oxygen circulating. Next, do 30 seconds of arm circles in each direction to loosen tight shoulders and improve posture. Then, sit in a sturdy chair and lift each leg 10 times, holding for 3 seconds to strengthen your thighs and support your knees. Stand facing a wall, place your hands at shoulder height, and do 8 to 10 push-offs, leaning in and pushing back to work your chest and arms without strain. Step side to side for a minute to boost hip mobility and balance, keeping your posture tall. Finish with 30 seconds of neck and shoulder rolls to release tension and improve coordination. If mobility is a challenge, do these seated or just to what feels comfortable. Smooth, controlled motions are the goal, not intensity. A 2021 study in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that light movement after a protein-rich meal like black beans and eggs increases amino acid absorption and muscle response, helping nutrients like leucine work their magic. These small movements act like a spark, boosting blood flow, firing up your metabolism, and telling your muscles to build, repair, and energize. Beyond muscles, this routine can lift your mood, aid digestion, regulate blood sugar, and even improve your sleep. setting a positive tone for your entire day. What can you expect when you make this routine a habit? The changes might surprise you, and they can start sooner than you think. In just 3 to 5 days, many seniors notice it's easier to rise from a chair, their legs feel steadier when walking, or they can reach for a high shelf without losing balance. These small wins are signs your muscles are waking up, your nerves are reconnecting, and your body is responding to proper nourishment. By day 7, your endurance might improve. Perhaps that short walk to the mailbox no longer leaves you winded, or you can carry a bag of groceries up the stairs with less effort. A 2019 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate leucine-rich foods like black beans with at least 10 grams of protein and fiber daily saw measurable gains in walking speed, lower body strength, and grip power in just 2 weeks. Black beans check all those boxes, delivering protein, fiber, leucine, magnesium, and iron to fuel your body right after sleep. By day 10, you might notice fewer leg cramps at night, better balance when getting out of bed, and deeper, more restful sleep, thanks to the magnesium and potassium in black beans that help muscles relax and recover. After 2 weeks, something even more meaningful might happen, a renewed sense of trust in your body. You might stand up without hesitation, walk into a room without worrying about tripping, or feel taller as your core and stabilizing muscles strengthen, improving your posture. These changes aren't just physical, they're a reminder that you can feel vibrant and capable, no matter your age. To keep these gains coming, watch out for 5 common mistakes that can quietly slow your progress. First, don't skip breakfast, even if you think it saves calories or gives your stomach a break. After a night of fasting, your body is in breakdown mode, using muscle tissue for energy. Skipping that morning meal prolongs this, weakening your muscles and slowing your metabolism. Eating black beans and eggs within 30 to 60 minutes of waking shifts your body into repair mode, telling it to rebuild instead of break down. Second, don't rely on pills or supplements over real food. Multivitamins often aren't well absorbed by aging bodies, especially without dietary fat, and they lack the co-nutrients found in whole foods like beans, eggs, or vegetables. Real foods deliver nutrients your body knows how to use, so prioritize them over pills. Third, avoid sitting too long after eating. Long periods of stillness slow circulation and limit how well nutrients reach your muscles. Every 30 to 45 minutes, stand up for a quick stretch, a short walk, or some light arm and leg movements to keep your muscles engaged and blood flowing. Fourth, don't eat heavy meals late at night. Digesting food close to bedtime can disrupt your body's overnight repair process, which is when muscles heal and inflammation calms. Finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed to sleep soundly and wake refreshed, giving your muscles the space they need to recover. Finally, stay hydrated. Mild dehydration is common in seniors and can show up as stiffness, fatigue, or poor balance, not just thirst. Since muscles are mostly water, even slight dehydration can slow repair and increase cramping. Sip water throughout the day, adding a slice of lemon or a pinch of sea salt to boost mineral absorption and keep your muscles strong. Let's bring it all together for your new morning foundation. Start your day with a nourishing breakfast of a half cup of warm black beans and 1 or 2 eggs, eaten within an hour of waking to catch your body's natural nutrient absorption window. Follow it with 10 minutes of gentle movement marching, arm circles, leg lifts, wall push-offs, side steps, and neck rolls to spark muscle repair and boost energy. Be mindful of sneaky habits that can hold you back. Don't skip meals. Don't rely on supplements alone. Avoid long periods of sitting. Finish dinner early, and sip water all day. Now, pause for a moment and ask yourself, what have you been told is just part of aging that might actually be changeable? That morning stiffness, that shortness of breath, that wobbly step, maybe they're not set in stone. Maybe they're signs your body is asking for the right fuel, a little movement, and a shift in perspective. You don't need a gym, a doctor's approval, or a complicated app. All you need is a small pot, a few minutes, and the courage to start fresh each morning. Tomorrow, when you place your feet on the floor, know that a warm plate of black beans and eggs, paired with a gentle stretch, is waiting to help you feel stronger, steadier, and more like yourself. At Senior Care, we're here to cheer you on, believing in your power to reclaim your strength and vitality, one breakfast at a time. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you're ready to try this simple, life-changing habit, pick up that bag of black beans next time you're at the store. It's not just food. It's a step toward feeling vibrant and capable again. Please like, share, and subscribe to Senior Care for more practical, heartfelt tips to help you live with energy and confidence. Drop a 1 in the comments if you're ready to start this journey, and let's keep moving forward together, one morning at a time. Thank you, and we're rooting for you.